Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got a Tory Burch to show you today. So this is the Tory Burch Colorblock Tote. So it's in black and ivory, and it's got this lovely gold hardware as well. So we have double top handles, and then we've got this removable leather tassel as well, which is really cool. It matches the Colorblock on the main bag. And then you can see we've got this grained leather on the exterior, which feels really gorgeous, and it's the same material on the straps. And then you can see we've actually got a leather interior as well, but it's this lovely, I'll pop it this way so you can see, lovely smooth ivory leather on that interior. And then you can see we've got one flat pocket here, and then the front of that flat pocket we've got another little flat pocket there as well. So the condition of this Tory Burch, we've called the exterior and the interior good. You can see there's just a couple of marks here and there, so just there's a little mark, and then just there as well. And then there's a really slight bit of wear. So on one of these corners you can see it's got a little bit of a scuff there, but other than that the corners actually are in a very nice condition. But you can see there's just a little bit of wear to those straps. So on the underneath, just a really tiny bit of wear to the leather trim on those straps, so you can see just there. So it's really minor, but there's a little bit of wear there, and just along the rim as well. You can see where that's worn just a little bit. So that's why we've called the exterior good. The interior, again, it's just got a couple of marks on it, so in that bottom corner, get an angle so you can see it, there's just a little pen mark just in that bottom corner down there, and then there's another little mark on that side as well, little scratch, which is a bit hard to see on the camera. There you go, just a little scratch, little mark just there. So that's why we've called the interior good again. The hardware we've called very good. You can see it's got that lovely shiny gold tone, but there is just a couple of kind of hairline scratches and really light wear to that hardware, so that's why we've called it very good. It comes with Tory Burch dust bag just to keep it protected, and then if you wanted to know the exact measurements for it, you can go to the link in the description below. That's the link to shop this exact bag on our website, so it should hopefully take you directly to this Tory Burch. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But you have a couple of options. We've got loads of other beautiful arm candy for you to have a look at, so have a browse through everything else that we've got on there. But if it was this that you really had in mind and you're really hoping for, what you can do is you can get on our request list, and it's really easy to do that. Just send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this and we'll pop you on our request list for it. So that means as soon as we get in another one like it, we'll let you know. You'll be one of the first to know, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. So that's the request list. Exact measurements again are on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'll come back and pop it on my shoulder so you can see what it looks like. So I am a size UK 10 and I'm 5'4". That's any help, and I just think it's a gorgeous size and a gorgeous shape as well. And this leather again feels really lovely. And it's just very simple, very practical, make a lovely everyday bag. So again, for more details, go to the link in the description below. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and it'll send you through your welcome discount code. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any beautiful pieces like this one that we have to show you. And also on our website, you'll find the How to Sell With Us page. So if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co., all the details you need to know about selling with us are on that page. So have a read through that, and we'll see you later with some more arm candy.